Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the setup process of Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Here you can see in the right side, you will find this option. And here you can see a green button, Setup Copilot. So just click here and we have to select this Trust Workspace and continue. Now you have to log in with your GitHub account. So click here, continue with GitHub. And here you can see currently I'm logged into my GitHub account. You just have to log into your GitHub account. Okay. And here you will find option continue. So click here, continue. And here you can see we have option here called authorize Visual Studio Code. So we'll just click here. Here you go. Now we'll select this and we'll click here open. Here we go. We have added successfully. Here you can see. Now here we'll select markdown. Okay. And after that, now it's done. Now let's say I want to create here a new file. Let's say I will save it as, let's say, index.html. So this is the index.html file. And here I want to say, I want to create here a login and registration page. Let's say registration page, sign up page. Okay. So I'll say here that make a registration page for me. I'll hit enter. Here you can see this is the index.html file. So it took this file and now it will actually, here you can see it's working. It's generating actually code for me. Here you can see. So we have to wait for some times. So here you can see our code is generated successfully. Now what I can do is we can actually click here to apply this code in the index file. Here you can see it's applying and successfully applied. Now if you want to now show the output, you can actually see the output. So let's click here extension and we have here option called live preview. We actually go for it and here you can see this is the live preview. Now I click here install. Here you will find an option show preview. So click here and here you go. So this is the registration page. Here you can see. And you have a nice registration page, right? So this is how actually you can set up GitHub Copilot to make your work easy. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.